Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. Okay, so I had to go get some more paper towels. And these are what I was talking about. They're not toothpicks, duh. They're called craft sticks. And look how many you got in there. I got these from a store maybe 2 years ago that was closing, and these things were like $1 and something. So I'm sure that you can find these anywhere, though. I think Michael's might even sell something similar to these. So I'm just going to take out a few that I may need. So take these out and put this bag aside. It's good to have these handy. You know, these are some toothpicks that work just fine. I actually have toothpicks too. But yeah, so okay, we're letting our other one dry. And now we're going to work on our second one, because I'm in the mood to make stuff. And that's what we're going to do, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and jump into this. Now, I didn't do the layout. I really didn't show you the layout of the last one because I did not record it. But let's see what happens this time. We're going to try our best to make this work, okay? Let's see. Like, that's beautiful. Oh, my God, it's so beautiful. I love that centerpiece, right? I'm not sure what I want to use for this. Actually, I have these Tim Holtz flower things. And I think these are fabulous. Look at that. Oh, wait, it's upside down. But that's kind of cool, huh? Like something cool like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, my God. I love that. You know, I love that. I know it looks strange with the two different kinds of silvers, but I absolutely love it. And look how fabulous this looks. This is, I don't know. Maybe at the bottom? Ooh. Put these like, oh, look at that. Almost looks like a family crest of some sort, right? And you know what you can even do? You can patina these too for like a different color. Make them a different color. You can always patina all this stuff. You know, these things here. Because it kind of blends in with it, huh? I don't want to use any more keys because I use all the keys. I'm done with the keys. Oh, wait. Let's see. How about this? Ooh. That looks like a interesting piece, huh? Wait. Let's see. I like stuff sticking out on things. So that's really cool. And that's really cool. You know? How fabulous is that? A piece. And then you could just fill all the rest of this in with, like flowers and stuff. You know? You could. Or. That's a thing to do. I'm just doing the layout first because I don't know what I'm going to use. I'm just cutting up a bunch of stuff and praying something looks right. Okay, so that's one option, right? Now this is another option. How cool is that? But see, that's so fat. Oh, that's so fat. But it's beautiful. Like, that's huge. If it was a little flatter, it would be absolutely fabulous. But it's just so fat. I guess it doesn't matter. I mean, it is collage jewelry, so it's supposed to be kind of chunky. You know? Chunky. I have that, but that's too big. Let's see. Birds. I don't want to use a bird. We're not using birds today. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Let's see, that's cool, but it kind of blends. So I don't know. That's the thing. You got to kind of play around with stuff to, like, all that looks dope together. Like, all that looks like, you know, yeah. No, we're not doing that. I kind of almost like that a little bit. Like this and this is cool. Like, that's cool, huh? Or you can do something cool like that in the middle. So I don't know. Oh, that's nice. That kind of contrast there. It has to be a contrast because all this other stuff blends in the background. That's why I want it to kind of stand out because it kind of blends. And I want it to be a little blingy. To be honest with y'all, I really do want it to be a little bit blingy, guys. So I have been struggling a little bit with the layout of the silver, but I think I got it, and I love this. Okay, so these are the Tim Holtz pieces. These two. This is the bead I got from Joann's, the little sliders. Okay, and I love that. And then this is the earring. This is actually an earring that I got from Walmart. So I just cut it up like I did the last one and put it on here. Okay, and what I'm going to do is take these flowers off of this earring and place them around there. How fabulous, right? Oh, it's going to be so cute. I love it. I love the layout. It's so different than anything I've ever made. So let's all hope it works out good. And then at the very least, I can put some bling bling around it, like something like this, or I can put something like this. So we're gonna see. I think this might look really cool with it though, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's just get this together first, okay? All right. So we're gonna have to place these little flowers here on the side. So I wish I had patinaed these, but I don't even know if I have a color that would have went with this, you know? It's like nice to color your stuff, but you got to have it all flow. I mean, even though it's different, like I said, that's dope. Different, you know, types of silver and different textures and stuff. It still has to flow, in my opinion, if you're doing collage jewelry. You can just throw a bunch of stuff on there and pray it looks good, but it still has to flow. All right, so we're going to put these little side pieces on here. And that's just what I'm doing, like, because the purpose of this video, to try to, you know, keep it interesting here for this piece. And I want these pieces to hold. And these are so fabulous. Wow, I love these Tim Holtz pieces. Okay, let's push that down just a little bit. Just a little bit, kind of make them even a little bit. I want it to stick out a little bit. Oh, that's fabulous, darling. It's so fabulous. I know, I say that about everything, don't I? But I want them to kind of look even, you know? All right. Okay, so here's the earring. I just cut it up, put it like that. But I might use this piece too. Just because I think that it will work really good with the piece. I'm just going to try to figure out where I'm going to put it. All right, so actually you can just break it off like that. Make it pretty easy. And then just take the piece off. And then take your cutters, your wire cutters here. And, you know, cut it off. Don't forget to wear your protective eye gear. Be careful when cutting it, okay? Cut it down as much as you can because you're going to end up tucking it anyway, so. Oh, we got to cut the back of this off, right? So I'm going to at some point use this for this piece. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. All right, and then we're going to just strategically place some little flowers around it. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. I love this idea. It's so different, you know. I'm just going to peel these flowers off of here and figure out a place to put them. Yeah, I like the contrast of that, you know. Almost a contradiction in your, you know, your piece. Kind of the hard versus the soft, you know. Kind of that steampunk versus, you know, glamorous and chic. I'd love to work with contrasts like that because I think pieces, anything you're making, whether it's a jewelry piece, a card piece, or anything like that, kind of, it just adds more interest, you know. Yeah, well, how about we do this, Stephanie? Messing up our nails. I done broke a nail. Oh, wait, you know what? Wait a minute. I might use this big old yellow flower, too. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're going to use all this, honey. We're going to keep all this because you can still use this piece, too. So, yeah, I'm going to use all of this. I'm just pulling all this off because I want to use all of this. All right, so that's what it looks like once you pull all the flowers off, okay? Now, we got all of our little pieces we're going to need. Let's, you know, just try to set it up and make it look cute. Let me see. And make it work. Like, that's beautiful. If I had two pieces of that, that would be nice. Or, we can do that and then put this in the center. That's pretty, too, now. That's pretty. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. I'm just going to placement. Just trying different placements, you know. I don't want it to look so matchy-matchy. It doesn't have to look matchy-matchy, but it does have to look fabulous. You know what I mean? Like, really fabulous. Like, uber fabulous, right? I like that. That's kind of funky. I don't know about that big yellow thing in the middle. Maybe I do a white one. Do I have a white one somewhere? I might have a white flower that might look really good in there. Yeah, I'm just trying to do the placement here because I think it will look kind of cool, right? And, yeah. Because we're going to put some rhinestones on here as well. I'm just using what I have. You can use whatever you want to create your piece. I think that's beautiful. Wow. That's really beautiful. Look how it's filled in that looks. That is gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. Oh, I want to put another little white flower over here. I know. Probably doesn't go, but I'm messing it up. I'm messing it up. But I think that's beautiful, guys. Oh, my goodness. Absolutely beautiful. Hold on. Let's spread it out here. That's stunning. Oh, I love it. Love it. Love that. It's just gorgeous. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. We're doing good here. Woo! I'm excited. Okay. I love that. That's stunning. I don't care if I get a thumbs down. I don't care if anybody say they don't like it. They think it's gaudy and tacky. I love it. I love this. I love the other one that I made. That's slatting everywhere right now. Love all the stuff, okay? All right, so we're going to place this. I'm going to take a picture of it. We're going to place it, and then we're going to finish it, all right? All right, so I set these two up here like this because I want them to, you know, be on here like that. I think that looks fabulous. They look fairly even. Let's see how everything turns out, okay? Yeah. So I like that, you know, this E6000 works like this. So that way it's easier to move things around and all that. So I'm just going to put some stuff on the back of this so it can stick. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to start laying the pieces out. So I'm putting that on there like that. And I kind of want it to hang off a little bit on this in the edge. Like that. See, well, it's not really white. It's like off-white. But you know what? I might use this whole piece, actually. Let me see. Another one of my Walmart earrings. I bought these with the purpose, like I said, to, you know, use in my projects. And that's what I'm going to do. So, we shall see now, shan't we? Okay, we're going to just pull all this stuff off together, just like that. Because you figure you're going to cut all this off anyway. And I don't know if I could cut that off. I need that piece. So, we'll see. Oh, wait. This one's in there. This one is one here. I just need this flower. Let me see. Okay. With a little bit of work, I was able to yank it off. See? Oh, that's how it looks underneath. Look at that. You can still use that piece too, even without that. Because this was sitting on top of that. Oh, look at that. We can still use that too. I'm telling you, y'all. This is what we're going to do. We're going to just place it and see what it looks like. If it looks crazy, we're not going to use it. All right? And I'm going to put this one on here because I'm going to put the big pieces on first. And then you put your big pieces on first and then you build around it. At least that's what I'm going to do. Now, again, when you're doing this yourself, you're welcome to do whatever you want. You know, you can start with your small pieces, but I think it's smarter to put the big pieces on first. That's just me, though. So I put an ample amount of glue on that because I want this to stay. You know, I want it to stay. Well, wait, let's see. And I kind of want it off to the side like that. Or do I want it in the middle? I don't know. I think it looks cool either way. Maybe in the middle. Yeah, there you go. Not with the paper towel. So let's see. I like that. That's kind of cool. Okay. Well, see, I kind of wanted it off to the center a little bit because it'll just be easier to put stuff around it. That looks dope. Looks fabulous. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. So kind of colliding here, but... And then, you know what? If at some point, if this sticks over a little too much, what you can do is just get a bigger piece and just slap it on the back of it. Or, like I said, you can put some felt on the back of it or glitter fabric or whatever it is you want to put on the back of it. So, but yeah, I love that so far. Okay. Looks good, right? Either one. Like, that's too much. I like the white, though. Yeah, I like the white, I think. Yeah, I like the white. Okay, so... we are going to add an ample amount of glue to that and stick that in the center there. Okay. Yep. I'm going to have to go to Michael's. I'm going to let this dry. What I'm going to do is put this together, finish this video, let this dry. I'm going to run to Michael's, see if I can find something else. And I got to take something back and see if I can find something else and then come back and finish it, okay? So... all right, let me see. Oh, yeah, I wanted to place these, which are gorgeous. Let me see, where's the other one? The other one's right here. Yes, right? Isn't it gorgeous? Like, really gorgeous. I love that. I just love that. Oh, my God. And then you can place your little flowers in different places. And if you need to put this on there, you can do that, too. Like, if you want that to pop off at the top, it'll be fabulous. Or you can even put that on the side, like sticking out like that. Oof. Yes, okay. I'm getting too excited, y'all. I just love the way this is turning out. I thank you guys for encouraging me to continue to make jewelry and stuff, because I had gotten a little disillusioned by it all, because I had been making jewelry, on and off for years, and in recent times, I just have been a little disillusioned because I would make stuff on camera and then see other people go make it. And they would not, sort of give me a shout out or a credit when I know for a fact that I inspired them. And that kind of bugged me, and I thought, well, that's not right. Inspired me to make things, I give them a shout out. Like if I see somebody's video that made cards or anything like that, I'm like, hey, I watched so-and-so's video and they did something really, really cool, But people don't do that with me. So I know somebody's going to see this video and want to make it. Now, if you should see this video and you were inspired to do collage jewelry, just give me a shout out. That's all I ask. That's how we help each other in this jewelry making community, That's how we promote our channels. That's how we get ourselves out there. So if you happen to be on Instagram, just on Instagram, and you make jewelry and I inspire you, just give me a shout out. That's all. So yeah, I guess they say copying is this sincerest form of flattery, but at some point it's annoying, especially if you don't give the person credit where you saw them, So that's just my take on it. People can do whatever they want, but I don't know. I just felt disillusioned by it all. That's all. Anywho, let's get back to our project. I wanted to say that though. So let's go ahead and put our little pieces where we want them first. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna just push them around. Let's see. I want them to kind of be spread out. Well, yeah, like that. Yeah, see, kind of like that. Let's see. Where's my little white one? Look at that. Like that. Just kind of spread out. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Right? Beautiful. Look at that. How pretty. Wow. Stunning. And then, guess what else I did? I pulled out the Swarovski's Darling, in case we need to place some along there, which I might do if we have time. We'll see. But I love that. I absolutely love that, the way it looks right now. I love it. Love it. You see? Oh, I can. Yay. Look at that. You can just fill in all your spaces too, if you want to do that. Move stuff around and fill in the spaces. Make it look kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. Who knew that, Walmart jewelry and bead sliders and resin flowers and, this stuff can be fabulous. So that's what we're going to do. Put it all together. All right.